Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial how to prepare the USB drive to use on BMW Maps Updates. So let's jump to the computer side. Okay, so we are on the computer side right now, but before we're gonna start preparing the USB drive and moving the files onto that USB, we need to download the application to unpack the file. If you got already the WinRAR, you can just unpack it, but I recommend to use the 7-zip application. Just go onto the 7zip.org and download the app. Let's save, let's install it. Okay, the 7-zip is already installed. And now let's unpack, for example, the East maps. Just press double mouse click, and depends on the system you are using. I got here the Windows 11, but on the Windows 10 you will have that list. Let's go to the 7-zip and extract to roadmap. Okay, so it's gonna take a while. On the meantime, we can prepare the USB drive. In my case, I'm gonna use the 64 GB because I don't have the smaller one. The maps after unpacking should take around 30 GB, so I think the 32 GB USB drive should be enough. And now the important thing, that USB drive must be formatted as FAT32. It cannot be exFAT or NTFS. I'm not sure, but also the 32 GB USB drive cannot be formatted by default on the Windows to FAT32. Like you see, there's only NTFS and exFAT. But I'm gonna leave you the link for the application in the description below the video to this application, which will format your drive, even the SD card, to the FAT32. Like you see here, you just need to select the drive. In my case, the name is the E, and just press start. There's the information that everything will be lost. Let's accept that, and like you see, it's done. So now we can close this application and let's check the file system. You see it's FAT32. So okay, and now just need to wait for unpacking the maps. So I'm just gonna speed up this video. And the files are unpacked. Like you see, there is new folder. The most important thing is do not copy, like here, the whole folder. Just go inside, select all files, click onto the copy, go onto the USB drive, double mouse click and paste. Once it's finished moving the files into the USB drive, you can eject the drive and go to the car and update your maps. In another movie, I will show you how to proceed with the maps update in BMW and the next unit. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next movie.